Monster movies are this amazing site for looking at how ideas of environmentalism and ideas of nature play out in popular culture. Not that many people probably are reading nature poetry at the moment, but a lot of people are probably going to all of these monster movies. And how I got interested in this is I started noticing that a lot of these films were advertised playing off the ideas of endangered, humans are the endangered species, you are the endangered species, all of this kind of ridiculous stuff, and thinking about how could it be when all of these species are actually dying out, and when humans number what, how many billion are we? Many billions, billions and billions of humans, right, that we have to really worry about being the endangered species. So when I started looking at these, what was interesting to me that on the one hand, the narratives are all about transcendence and escape from the nature of the beast. And the beast is always nature in the end, right? The various permutations of nature or of humans being like nature. There's a great one called Mimic, where these giant cockroaches look like people. They look like men in black coats, and they're walking through the subways, and people think that they're just men in black coats, and they're giant cockroaches out to get you. So there, it's all about this kind of boundary crossing, right? And what was interesting to me is, on the one hand, in a lot of environmental theories, people like Haraway's work, all kinds of other people, talk about how important it is to break down nature, culture, human-animal distinctions, and this is the theory that's out there, that would be this good thing. But then when you look at the films, it's this terrifying, horrific thing to become like a giant cockroach, right? So how do we navigate that in terms of the cultural politics and what's going on there? And what I found also in these films, which was fascinating to me, is that almost all of them had this kind of vertical semiotics. There were always these moments where transcendence was figured in the camera work. One film, the camera goes way up this tunnel in this subway, up, 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 up. Other ones, all these people always leave through either balloons or through helicopters. Interestingly, because helicopters can go straight up. So they're always about, nature's being destroyed, everything's falling apart, but all of us will just go up in our helicopter and we will look down upon it and it'll look okay. So the overall plot is really scary because it's all about transcendence.